What is up, guys? It is your girl back with another tutorial. For today's tutorial, I wanted to show you guys how you can pack for a weekend trip. I'm actually on my way to California this weekend, and I bought this weekender bag on Amazon, and I did wanted to share it with you guys. I want to share how you can pack for a weekend trip. I want to show you guys how you can pack lightly, how you can pack when you go on an airplane and you want to bring a lot of luggage with you. I want to show you guys the easy way to pack when you're just going away for just a few days. You don't have to bring a lot of luggage. You don't have to bring a lot of stuff. All you need to bring is just the essentials. So if you guys want to see how I pack for this weekend trip on my way to California, then vámonos. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this bag right here, it is called the Weekender. And I bought this on Amazon. I am in love with this bag because of all of the little compartments that it has, which I'm going to share with you guys. So it's just a regular typical bag, but it also is one of those bags that you can just carry like this as well. So you can make it like a business bag, or you can make it like one of those little casual backpacks as well. So just typical backpack. I had to put that all together. But right here, right in the front of it, which works perfect for me right here, is where I would possibly put maybe, oh, you see, all of the little compartments that it has is just perfect. Right here, I would probably put my passport, and that's about it. And then maybe like my keys, my house keys. That's why this maybe is here, obviously. And then right here in the front, there's more. This is the best thing about this bag, is all of the small compartments that it has, like small little storages basically for like all of the junk that we need to always take with us. You never know how much you bring with you on a trip until you're like literally packing. So we're gonna go ahead and open the bag, and I'll be right back. Just opening the bag all around. This is really hard to do it with just one hand. I opened it and it goes all around the little zipper. So you're able to just flop it open like this, literally like a luggage. It still has this little thing just like all of the luggages have as well. I usually don't use this when I'm probably going to use it this time just because it is the bag and I don't want my things flipping and flopping around. But this section is also perfect too. So for like us girls, like our undies and our bras, and then guys too, put your undies and bras in there too, just kidding. And the socks. This is perfect for that as well. If we're talking about business, if you have a laptop, I would definitely store my laptop in here. You know, if I was like traveling for work, which I don't, but I know a lot of people do, this would be perfect to just put like your laptop there. And then all of your essentials in here. You see how like just deep it is? It has just so much space. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of my clothes in here, and I will be right back so you guys can check out how everything just fits. Now to let you know, and so you guys can actually see, let me take my bra out of this tutorial. I don't want you guys to like see my bra. But anywho, I'm only going for the weekend. So I have outfit number 1, outfit number 2, an extra shirt just in case, my sleeping gear, my sleeping pajamas, another outfit right there, an extra shirt, and then I have a bathing suit. Because I'm going to California, of course, a bathing suit is a must just in case we decide to go either to the beach or to the pool at the hotel. And then obviously here we go with my shoes, and then my fanny pack. I cannot forget the fanny pack. So all of this, I am going to store it from here to boom, there. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so everything is packed in here. Now, the way that I packed it is I have my makeup bag right here. You can see how much space there is. This is my makeup bag that I literally stuffed in there. I'm gonna see if this is going to close. And then everything else is there. I have one of the pair of my sandals is in there. The second pair is here. And then if my fanny pack fits, then this is coming with us. So everything is in there. I decided to put obviously my girl situations over here. My underwears and my bras are going there. And then I have to grab some socks so I can put some in there as well. Let me close this and let's see if this is going to work. I know this is all I need because everything else is in here. Literally, like my toothpaste, my deodorants, everything that I need is inside this bag when I am talking about like hair products, like my makeup, my brushes, anything, skincare is in here. So I needed to make sure that this was safe and that all my clothes can still fit at the same time. So let's see. I decided to, close this just to use it. I mean, it's there for a reason, right? All right, we're looking good. This is looking real good. So we close it up and let's see if I have still enough space, and I'm going to put it on my back and see how it feels. This is looking so good. It's feeling really nice as well. Like I said, you can always hold it like this. I'm not going to hold it like that because, no. The whole point is so I can be hands-free, basically. And then I'm just going to use it as a backpack. I can go ahead and just clip those on the ends. And bada bing, bada boom, we're good to go. This is perfect. And you can't even tell that I stuffed a whole bunch of stuff in there. Like, you can't tell that I stuffed the crap out of this poor bag, right? Can you? Someone tell me. Look at it. It's looking so good. I can't wait to see how it feels. Oh, another thing about this bag too is like you can even bring like a water bottle. Obviously, we know we can't bring water bottles to the airport, but I don't know. I would stuff that with something else. Let's see what else it has. But yeah, this is perfect for either a business trip, for a weekend getaway with the ladies, with your girlfriends, with your girlfriend, with your spouse, with your lover, with whoever you want to go on a weekend getaway. This bag is amazing. It's perfecto. And that is it, guys. That is the Weekender bag. Super, super spacious, as you guys can see, and very affordable as well. Like I said, I'll be more than happy to go ahead and link that down for you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when I upload my Cali weekend trip vlog, you guys are notified. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.